Hello guys, in today's video, we'll be playing Mevs but with the classic thumbstick. I use the dynamic thumbstick so this is very different. Please enjoy the video. I'm almost to 400 subs, so please like and subscribe. Now let's find this classic thumbstick, shall we? There we go! My worst nightmare. Well, let's play. Bro, I can barely move BC. Think that I'm using the dynamic thumbstick and I'm going out of the bubble. This is so hard to control. Come out wherever you are. First kill. I think I can get this girl. Well, I was wrong. Why is it so hard to control? This is already to a bad start. I don't like using the classic thumbstick, period. And the second death. Bro, why do I suck this bad at this classic thumbstick? I suck so badly at this game with this thumbstick. People say that this thumbstick is easy, but in my opinion, it's not.
Slay!
I need tips to be better at Mevs. My aim be like in Mevs. My third freaking death. I think I have around 1 kill and 3 deaths. But trust me, with the dynamic thumbstick I'm way better than this. Comment down below if I should do a montage. The girl in black is way too good. 4th death. Let's try this again. But another way. Any sheriffs up here? Yep. Enemy spotted. 5th death, and why in the bananas did I do throw and kill? I meant for slash. Uh-oh. I think there is a little drama here. I looked at what a girl said and it was something about camping around walls. That is allowed just to say, not to be rude. True, these people are too good for my level lol. Oh, and that was my 6th death. I just remembered that. Sneak over here. Not again. Come on. Screw you. Server hop. Now we're going to try this again. Enjoy the rest of the video without me talking. So it's kind of like a normal gameplay. Anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Sorry if this vid was short, and I hope that you like and subscribe. Tism for 391 subscribers. Bye guys.